What's up, guys? My name is Brooks. I'm a grad student at Florida State University, and today I want to talk about what the window of recovery is regarding post-workout nutrition. Now, the window of recovery extends for up to 2 hours from the minute you stop exercising. However, it's most ideal to refuel within the first 30 minutes after your workout. Your body does an amazing job absorbing nutrients within this window. However, once we get outside of that window, your body has a harder time absorbing the nutrients. Some easy ways to meet this post-workout window of recovery include to pack a snack after practice, to drink your energy like a protein shake or chocolate milk. Also, if your stomach gets upset after working out, you can have some bland foods like peanut butter and crackers. Lastly, creating a note on your smart device or a piece of paper is a great way to remind yourself to eat within that window. Go check out the Eat to Win app to find out more information on post-workout recovery and everything else sports nutrition.